അങ്ങനെയാണ്
റൈറ്റ് റൈറ്റ് അതെ 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 കുറെയൊക്കെ അല്ലേ അവരെ കണ്ടാൽ തന്നെ അറിയാം.
അതെ അതെ അതെ.
Okay, we are live. Sujit, start ചെയ്യല്ലേ?
Okay, തുടങ്ങാല്ലേ? 5 ആയില്ലേ? 5 1.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So good evening, everyone. Welcome 20th edition of NEET Talks. Welcome, Vani.
Yeah, thank you.
So Vani is a participant of 2019 camp of Narachar, and she is a graduate from Trivandrum Fine Arts College 2006. Just now they were talking that, and then she did her master's from Hyderabad. And after that, her journey she will be presenting now. Okay. Yeah. Welcome, Vani.
Thank you for giving such an opportunity. Yeah. And thank you all for coming. Shall I share my screen?
Please.
സതീഷ് ചേട്ടാ മറ്റേതൊന്ന് പറയണേ, ആ മറ്റേ മെസ്സേജ് അയച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഇതിൽ ആഡ് ചെയ്യാനുള്ള ഗ്രൂപ്പ് ഇതിലുള്ള പുതിയ ആൾക്കാർ.
Okay. So to all of you who are not part of this WhatsApp group called NEET Talks, like if you just share your WhatsApp number in the chat, we will add you to that group so that you will get all the information like of all the future presentations. We will send you the link.
Yeah.
Yes, Vani.
Yeah. New share.
New share la slideshow current slideshow le po menu slideshow le.
Yeah, avada idu poyirunilla kore.
Adelle.
Okay, ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
Right, okay. അല്ല. Slideshow menu.
Slideshow കിട്ടി. ഇപ്പോ ശരിയായി.
From current slide. Okay.
തുടങ്ങാമോ? എങ്ങനെയാ? വെയിറ്റ് ചെയ്യണോ?
Yes.
Yeah.
We'll start.
Yeah. MFA, and I just make a description. Yeah, that's all. Yeah, this is I start with my BFA work. I have done it in 2003. Those days I usually painted my whatever inspiring from our own surroundings. Sometimes usual bus scene or something like that. This image actually I saw when I from my pool in my home. Which was not a cobra, a usual snake, and that image not going from me, so I thought to paint it like this, which was a usual snake swimming on a pool, two snakes swimming on a pool, something like this kind of. So I just use that image. This work I have done at the time of my marriage, which was in 2004, and I was little means I was not so excited about my marriage, and I just trying to capture different kind of emotions in 5 women in 5 ways, like some are looking like angry, or some are like weeping kind of, or some are smiling, accepting like smiling face, something like that. Those days I love to doing portrait and all, so different kind, I used to observe different kind of expressions. So yeah, this work is something related with my marriage, and my thoughts belong to marriage. This is actually the fourth year last days I have done this work. I think the calendar kind of image, which is in the March month itself. And many time after my marriage, I feel, oh, I don't have time to do anything. I always want more time, struggling to manage with my home life and this study, student life. And to represent the fast moving of the time, I just use water as a metaphor. And those days I was so passionate about Mondrian's work. So I just trying to keep all the colors or this kind of arrangement and designing kind of his expression. And I gave the title as Time and Tide Wait for No Man. Yeah, this is the first work I have done in, not the first work I have done when I was in Hyderabad, MFA time. I think Sujit know her, no?
Yeah, Atmaja, no?
Atmaja.
Yeah, she is part of last this thing season. What do you call that? Last Niracharth, she was part of it.
Oh, okay.
So everyone know that. Everyone knew her. Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
I like her features very much, especially the hand and all these kind. The work start from hand actually, and she has a bold kind of feature, and her mind is a little sensitive. So I thought to put a flower on her hand, which is the flower we can see in Touch Me Not flower, Totavadi.
Yeah.
So I use that flower as a metaphor to show the people who have bold features and they have a sensitive mind. Yeah, okay. So in that way, I just painted. And actually, from this work onwards, I started to use photograph as a reference because when
based on a photograph?
Photographs I have taken her
Okay.
own, yeah.
Okay.
By myself itself, because till when we were in BFA time, Trivandrum College, they are not allowed us to use photographs.
Okay.
When we came to Hyderabad, my Rakhi Peshwani and all will suggest us to use photograph if instead of making visual pollution. So yeah, so I used a photograph, and I was till here I was struggle with images, like how I can paint like in this way or that way. I cannot get right, like I cannot make it in right ways. When I started to use photograph, it was very easy, like the light and shadow, all things are the skill is slightly developing. Yeah. And this is yeah, give and take. I gave the title. Actually, that from this title, the work starts. My parents always advised me when I was kid, you have to give respect and take respect. In that way, proverb is there, no? Give respect and take respect. So I just pick the give and take to respect others and to get. And I want to make the space in a like infinite kind of space. I try to make. Yeah.
Is it a tiles or what? Like what it is? Yeah.
Yeah, it's a kind repeated kind of I feel to put in a, like repeating things. Yeah, tile kind of image I place for that.
Okay.
And this I exhibited in Darbar Hall, where I kept on opposite walls. One is in this wall and the other one is in next, just opposite wall. again the same dilemma of life. It was there, like right and wrong, those kind of conventional and non-conventional. These, after my marriage, I always confused with my these kind of thoughts. Before my marriage, I usually done the expressions of surroundings actually. After that, I started to observing myself. Oh, what can I do? What should I do next? This kind of conflicts came. So a kind of persona kind of conflict started. And here I try to put in this conventional and non-conventional dress. I try to pick these emotions. And again, the water is there to show in the uncontrollable speed of time, you know. Nothing but I gave the title because we used to say nothing in our hand, but there is something, or if we are saying something, there is nothing. In that way, that is why I kept the title it as. Yeah. This is I have done it as a site-specific art in our Hyderabad campus itself, and it is like I used to roam in my bicycle in there and in that days. So there is some hidden places. This is actually the near to our new Essence school. So but it when we were there, we started study in old Essence school. There is two spaces are there. There was two spaces. Yeah. I kept a mirror in front of a wall, and I painted on the wall, and we can see ourselves, including ourselves, like we can see from the other side of the wall, the work and our own face. We can see through this hole. I kept 6 photographs arranging like this. So I don't have details, I think. Yeah. Here I try to break my naturalistic way of presentation. I want to splash with color and material, whatever. Yeah, there is nothing much meaning or something for this painting, because it's all our searching. What is my language? What is my language? It's kind of search or during all my practices. This is also, and here also kind of abstract kind of using of color, like a X-ray or kind of. This is actually the image derived from the campus itself. Like normally in Kerala, we missed, especially women missed the nightscapes. So when I used to cycle, when I started to use cycle around the campus, I go there and here and there, and I drawn this kind of images. Lot of drawings I have done at that time. This is again the question of my persona. Never, never, never give up was a poster in my room. My roommate kept a poster on my wall, and I thought to use the poster as a work. And here also, actually the portrayed woman. Actually, after dancing or after a performance, the performer remove all the accessories and some elements will be there on her face or something. You know? So I just painted in those kind of actors' point of view. This is actually, I gave the title as safety pins. That is the meaning actually. We used to we reduce our voice mostly due to many safe for our own safety. You know, where many things we want to speak loudly, but we swallow all the words, and this image came like in that way. And I kept Jan van Eyck's Arnolfini wedding. There was a convex mirror. I thought to put on her backside, because after I have done the frontal image, I felt it depth is lacking. I want to make more depth in to the frontal image, so I just kept a convex kind of mirror. This is again the I used watercolor to make some mystic kind of landscapes. This I Am As I Am is the title I have taken from Dayanita's photograph, which she's taken from a Vanitha Madham, or kind of a jumping figure on a terrace. But I just picked the lady's image for my this painting, a sari lady who is jumping. It's also a kind of motivating image for me. So I just picked that image. This is again Dayanita Singh's photograph, Go Away Closer, which I reached in a I was in a state that it is a psychological gesture that we used to cover up our face, and at the same time we need a attention also. That kind of a word. I was drawn another image, but when I saw this photograph in Rupa Marg magazine or something, I thought to do in as my painting, which was a black and white photograph, and I add a sepia tone to it. And I to make my own painting, I have to keep something. I want to add something, so I just kept a shirt, which is my you can connect with my dad or brother or husband or whatever. You usually play with the psychological drama with them also, you know. So yeah. And this is again, kind of making kind of a mystical landscape. Mom Take Me is actually, this is a first drawing of a big painting, but unfortunately I don't have the image of the main work. I lost it due to because of my own carelessness. And when I painting this image, this kind of images, like a sinking figure, or I want to go back to my mother's womb. Those kind of emotions was there. Like Sita from Ram, I remembered see what Sita done, or and some female characters like when Shakespeare's Hamlet's play, there is Ophelia. She sings till her last breath. So I want to show those kind of if they are singing also, they have the spirit or the fire inside. So I thought to put all the fiery kind of things on her eyes, and I gave the title as Mom Take Me. One more thing I have to say. When I painted this image, my teacher came to my studio. Rakhi Pishwani came, and she suggested me that, Vani, don't do this kind of negative emotions on your canvas, because which will affect you also, like vice versa. Both are adding our emotions, you know. So it is best you have to think in another way. Then I also thought the same. Yes, I have to change my attitude. No, so I started to use those kind of dilemmas or in a satirical way. So here I try to use in this way. Yeah, this work done just after reading Isadora Duncan's autobiography, My Story, where I felt a kind of like I was crying at that time, like when I when I doing this painting, I was crying. Why I don't know, because a catharsis kind of feel, you know, cleansing kind of feeling, and I gave the title as melting point. There is a melting point for every emotions. Like we start to melt somewhere, and the same way another painting I have done is freezing point. The same time I have done, like when we melted, after that we started to freeze, kind of that way I gave this title. Yeah, survival of the fittest. Actually, the cockroach image came on my mind firstly, because cockroaches can survive at any kind of environment. Even in a nuclear reactor, they can survive very well. So I thought I have to put those kind of images for make myself strong, the like, or whatever is easy to survive, it should survive. That's the meaning, no? So I just, yeah, place in this way. This is, I tried to put lots of images on this work. The wall is for me, it is like all the walls are like the wall is the same, and we people are coming and doing something, and we are going like the frontal scene always change, and the history kind of things, it is there in the, I try to put it in the background of the wall. And I again I placed the to show the time, or like there is a needless clock, and there is also a kind of without numbers, there is a clock, just to show the time, that we made the time and all, we human beings. This work is actually coming as when we observe everyone, there is a male part and female, like within ourselves. So I feel she-male kind of images. She-male is completed human beings. There is no need of any reproduction or something. So if we are watching women, then they have reproduct, like they go to, like they have deliver boy or girl, and the same way boy, male also. So she-male is for me, she-male is a complete human, complete, yeah. And I kept the name it as the witness, because all men and women doing something, and they are the witness for our own like our acts. This is Namaskaram, actually coming from the beginning. I have shown you give and take. When I reached this work, I felt there is no taking. It's we have to give. That is our duty, or I felt in that way. So I avoid the taking kind of, which will come anyway. In that way, the state of mind was like that. And Advaitam is this ends all the human kind of emotions, because every Advaitam is there is no duality, dual aspects. There is no dvaidam in because all are whole as a whole. So I just gave a title as, and this image derived when I was when I got a camp in Ahalya. They gave a character to paint, which was Gargi. Gargi, I love very much. Like she is a strong woman. I think 800 BCE. Yeah, she was there in Janaga's. For their debate and all. 8 men are there and 1 woman was there, was Gargi, and and she came to the what we called Rajya Sabha, or kind of what. Yeah, she came with without dress. Actually, she was.
Darbar.
Yeah,
The-
Darbar. Yeah,
Darbar.
she came to the Darbar without any dress. And she was more aware of soul and all this, and she have lots of questions. In Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, we can see the lots of questions she is asking to Yajnavalkya. And so I just use that like how she entered to the Darbar. I thought, oh, okay, I can place her in this way. That is her bold decision. Then I kept her, and we can think it as a conversation in ourselves. In that way, I just painted this work. And all yeah.
It's a diptych. It's a diptych. 2
Yeah,
parallel.
yes, diptych. And this thing also, the garland also, I thought there is a thread and lot of flowers added, like, and if there is a gap also, it is the same, like to represent Advaitam kind of feel. I don't know whether it is coming or not, but I try to portray the what I meant to Advaitam. Yeah. From here onwards, I stop the I stop this kind of thoughts. Actually, I just observing, and I want to. Yeah, there is a poetry like this kind of Advaitam kind of. I gave a title like that, and then I removed the title. Yeah, 2 roads diverged in my way. One is sannyasam, and the other is tonyasam. I have selected to stay there only by as somebody's wish. Nothing happened there. Creepers creep in my leg. Bees made a beehive on my breast. Birds made beautiful nest on my hair. My belly carried by the termites. Now I wish to select anyone which I think will reach in a same place where the earth is in a round shape. But how is it possible to do with no harm to their shelters? How can I close my eyes without give a chance to live their lives? This was the this was the conclusion of the all these because we have to give chance to others, and I thought human-centric thoughts are unnecessary. Then it marked a shift in my painting too. And this is Parinirvanam.
Vani, there is a question in the chat.
Yeah.
Aishwaryan, can you see chat or should I read it?
Just a minute, I will.
If you can, I can read it.
Yeah, please read that. That's better.
Does a question from Aishwaryan, does the choice of medium play a relevance?
I love to use different medium. Even I used my body. I mean, dance as a medium. I used poetry as a medium, and I use watercolor, but if the work demands the medium, I wish to go with the work actually. Hope I cleared his point.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. So how do you decide scale then?
Scaling, some I compromised in many time because of my home life. When my kids were young, I compromised. But I love to make big works actually, and also sometimes I love to do the detailed work, small works watercolor or something like that. So yeah, scale also depending on the
Okay.
work. Yeah. This is Parinirvanam is when I thought of the cave number 26 of Ajanta, there we can see Buddha's Parinirvanam, Mahaparinirvanam. And I thought, why if we people died, we will say like died, or in Malayalam we used to say chattu അല്ലെങ്കിൽ marichu. There are many words we used to, but how it became a parinirvanam, there is something to happen, some things have to happen. Then I thought, if a falling flower or a ripened fruit or all these kind of, we can call them fall as a parinirvanam. So I kept this shape like this because in religious in Hindu religion we our cremation in this form. So this chilies I have find in Gundur or something. I just made in this way. Yeah, Parinirvanam.
Yep.
Yeah. Yes.
Not happening.
Yeah, this is I like this is nothing but like we always in a hurry to make more likes in FB or social media kind of things. Yeah, when I just put like, yeah, we will be more happier when we got likes and we give like, but the matter is nothing, you know. So in that way the image derived. This is the detail. Am I slow or am I speed? Satish, is that okay?
Perfectly okay.
Yeah, thank you. This is again the falling flowers, which is Let Them Fall. I gave the title because the falling have a beauty, and the flowers doing their duty even in a dirty place. Okay, that's why I just made this in this way. And this is two panels, diptych kind of. One is for our pleasure for our eyes, and the other is for our brain. The details are here. When I thought to do a painting like this, I think about the viewer also. So I want to give pleasure to their eyes. And also these flowers we used to for our Vishu, the first New Year of Kerala. So yeah, something good for our eyes. And the next panel, I try to put many meanings, but not necessary to read in that way. Like 5 roads unite for water and those kind of, and different kind of plants I have painted there. Yeah, this is exam paper kind of. In an imperial size, I have painted the lines and all kind of, and yeah, chilies are something like a hot, like nothing can do with that. Yeah, we human beings make all the lines, you know. So I felt in that way, and I kept a standard as an infinite. There is no. There is nothing stop us to from learning. Is again same way. as I mentioned, from this type, from here onwards, I started to like, I don't want to make more meanings from my painting. Just experience is the meaning I felt. Here, from this work onwards, mostly I have never like what, yeah, more meaning or something. It is experiencing the moment. This work I have done when the flood was there in Kerala, and a pillar in front of our home, which got moss like anything, and it was very beautiful. So I want to portray.
So it's a direct sketch. It's a
Not that I have, because was very rainy, and I have taken a photograph and come inside and.
Okay.
And here I try to put another like I stitched the beads on my canvas, and rest of the things I have painted, and I used a golden color also. My own home, I just make a sketch of my home. Yeah, here also nothing to tell much, like, you know, a chili plant, and the sticks. Some people collected for their own purpose. This actually that work I have done in a camp in Wayanad. There, if you are going to Wayanad, on the roadside, we can see this kind of yeah. So I just picked that image. Yeah, this is I have done for Nirachartha 2018 or 19. 19. Yeah, 19. Yeah, 19. Yeah. These two works I have done in this format. I was just curious about the format and all those things. There is these works I almost removed human beings, but their presence can be there. In that way, I just painted this, because after sitting on the chair and they gone, and they keep 2 flowers, but they forget to take. In that way, these paintings are coming. This is actually Tare Zameen Par kind of like title I want to give. Actually, when I saw these flowers on my surroundings, I felt it as a stars on earth. So I just painted in this way, because these plants actually in the dry time you can find it mostly, the summer season. So it is like very beautiful, like stars kind of things. This is the detail. Yeah, here I yeah, what we call this, and the milkweed, Indian's milkweed. Yeah, Apupandadi. Yeah, Indian's milkweed. I just searched the word for the preparation of this. Yeah, I don't know the word actually. So yeah. Again, I titled it as Survival of the Fittest, because whatever happened in our environment, the Apupan Tadi can fly, and the seed can be somewhere they put the seed. No, so whatever happened will survive. And this is I thought to put some drawings from my sketchbook, which are equally important to my paintings. These are.
Vani, that previous one, can you show again that?
Yeah, sure.
Upandadi.
This one.
Okay. So, the name is Survival of the Fittest. Eh?
Yeah.
Okay.
And cockroach and Appupandadi are, I find
I think one more thought which comes by seeing it is, it's not necessarily the fittest. If you are not specific about where you want to live,
yeah.
then I think there are methods.
Yeah. Okay.
There is a possibility in it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wind will take you wherever you
Yeah, it will take.
Because
Yeah.
2 days back in Hindu news, like there was an interview of a philosopher, I think from Norway or something. So he was putting an alternate concept. So people are asking what will happen to human beings after COVID.
Oh.
So he was telling nothing will happen. Human beings will survive, and the survival of fittest is a wrong proposition. So survival of the friendliest is the correct thing. So human beings are normal, very friendly. Whenever catastrophe comes, they will make some ways. And then he fired a shot also. He told all these intellectuals who are sitting in ivory towers are painting a picture that there will be riot on the streets and all, because they are very selfish. They think the whole humanity is like that, but the whole humanity is not like that.
Like that, yeah.
To be frank, when I saw this, I just remembered. Sorry, go ahead.
Yeah, it's works there.
Yeah, really. And it is like we will tell about some plans. If the flood or something come, the bigger plants or bigger
Risky, yeah, and risky.
the smaller one will bend their
That will, they will survive. Yeah,
they will survive.
Actually, he gave a name to human beings. Instead of Homo sapiens, he told it is like Homo puppy. He was telling from foxes, like what happened to the dogs today, it is like the today's human beings.
Okay.
So all that vigor and everything is gone. It's a very domesticated version, not having that kind of a strength and that kind of a power and everything. Can adjust wherever it is. Sometimes one or two may make some sound or barking, but if you just throw something, it will go off also. So they know if there is a trouble, how to manage. So it's a very interesting stuff.
Okay.
Interesting analogy.
There's a question from Deepika in the chat. Sujit, will you take it?
No, you just go ahead with. I can't.
Yeah, I can see.
So, okay, you can see. Okay. Yeah, Arun, I will share it, Arun.
Portraits, landscape, which objects, essay. Actually, I feel there is not a big shift in my paintings, but it's a gradual process. Like I was questioning myself for many years about the as I mentioned, the persona and all these kind. Then I got a answer for it, because when we are doing the painting give us many answers for our own questions. So I felt I have to change my perspective, and if I change my perspective, definitely it will reflect on my paintings too. So I used many ways, because I want to if I am telling I am seeking my language, it is not actually seeking my language, it is actually seeking myself. I don't know it is the last point, or it will change again and again, I think, because our perspective is changing, but then the work also will get changed. Because I cannot actually what happened, when I painted the sad things on my painting, or negative things on my painting, I have waited for getting a negative emotion. Now what happened, if I am negating, I cannot paint. I'll simply sit or simply sleep. I am waiting for my peaceful mood. Then nothing happened actually. The mood is also always there, but I change the timing of my paintings.
But in between, a lot of times yourself as a as a portrait, self-portrait comes, no, in between.
Yeah.
So how do you
Yeah.
see that as a, you taking you as a vehicle of emotions to say, or it's all your pure emotions from yourself?
Yeah, it is actually, it includes everything, like our psychology, our philosophy, our whatever we are learning, it will come because if I am nowadays I am painting only trees and all these things, but I want to learn portrait also. So I love to learning, like, so I just doing portrait, and this was done when I was teaching in College of Fine Arts Trivandrum in 2017. I could I could sit in front of the model many hours because my students are doing. So I that time I was doing I have done many this kind of drawings.
Okay.
So I thought to include it in this session those drawing, because I, as I mentioned, that time I usually go outside, and why this is not changing?
Just click the mouse on the file.
The image,
presentation.
Yeah, this is also. These are done actually for my own like learning as. This is actually a kind of divine kind of feel when I saw this flower. Then I portrayed, like I feel many things when I look to my own paintings, this painting especially, because three petals, I feel three worlds or three murtis or kind of things I feel. So I love to look at this painting very much. That's why I included.
Okay.
This is again I have done in, like, these all are experiments. That's why like I gave the whole series as my sketchbook, because sketchbook is always something kind of experimenting or experiencing, or whatever we are experiencing, it will be there. This I thought to make a big painting. I didn't. When I am in, I was working in Trivandrum. After my class time, me and my friend went to Palay Market or somewhere, and I just drawn this kind of ladies, just observing the emotions. This is it's as part of study. Thank you.
This is your home or what?
Yeah,
From your
home.
Okay.
Yeah, here in Velineri. Yeah. This I used transparent ink for my drawing. This time I mostly used transparent ink in the brush pen,
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this is brush pen. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, one cat always came here and played in front of me, so I just drawn. This is again, this is not there in now. This is actually our the old Kulapura, Kulapura, what we will call the house for bathing and like near to our own pool. There will be this kind of a house, usually in old houses. We can keep our clothes and all these things there. And when I was painting in 2019, it was there. Now it is, yeah, it is not there. Yeah. This I love to play with. Like I was, this time I am feeling I'm becoming more child like I want to play with the elephant or something like that. I am more like child kind of. So this kind of drawings I have done many. Play with elephant is my dream. So yeah. This I have done from the elephants Punatur Kota near Guruvayur. There is a place for elephants. So I went there and I portrayed some elephants. Yeah, this is again, I thought to put a poetry instead of talking blah, 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 like how the work shift. First one was Advaitam, the dual aspects of life I tried to portray. And here, this like is, shall I read now?
Yeah.
The words are dancing together, even in the darkest night. How could they see each other? Or maybe they have greeted and loved in many incarnations. They are the soulmates, the words separated by the selfishness. It never needs light to see, never needs voice to hear. Do they smell? But that never mattered. Those words are dancing together, even in the deepest blue. Let them dance. This is actually a state of mind I feel like whatever we are looking outside, the genuine, the natural things have to happen. I just enjoyed, I am sitting there and I want to enjoy those natural things. This is the work. I gave the title as Let Them. The photograph is not so good, I think. The color of the work little changed. And I kept the termites on wall. Or if we are looking, especially I'm living in a old kind of house. So there you can find all the kind of insects and all these living creatures inside our home. You can find it. So I want to, I don't want to disturb them. So that is why I gave the title it as Let Them. So the plants on my wall or moss on my wall, those kind of images came, and I don't want to remove these two. This is Pushpa Vrishti. I love elephant and I want to portray a white elephant, which is actually in our mythological stories. We can find Devendran has a white elephant. And yeah, Airavatam, yeah. So to get a kind of divine feel, I try to put these images in this way. This is again I want to observe like the elephant fight, all these kind of things we can find only in Discovery Channel. But I have read Aidhihyamala written by Kottarathil Shangunni. When I was a child, I usually read those elephant stories. I love to read. And even in you can find in the Jataka tales also, Buddha's one incarnation was elephant. So there are a lot of stories in Kerala, and we used to give more importance, like a hero kind of image for our elephants. So the fight is also a kind of this kind of heroism. Konil Kochayappan or those kind of elephants stories inspired me to do this kind of work.
Is that elephant's name? Konil
Konil Kochayappan is very famous elephant. Yeah.
Mangalangundu Ganapati.
Yeah, something like that. I fell in love with the elephants because of Kottarathil Shanguni.
Okay. No,
Yeah.
I've seen. In our village we have a fan club for Mangalangundu Ganapati
Oh, really?
and one more. Yeah, Arjuna. Yeah.
Yeah, Arjun. Yeah.
Angalankunnu Ayyappan, probably.
Yeah, Poi. Yeah.
Angalankunnu Ayyappan also, right? Big elephant.
Ayyappan.
Ganapati is also there.
Ganapati.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There is one more. Techikode Ramachandran.
Yeah, Tiruvambadi Shivasundar. Yeah. There are a lot of. Yeah, actually, they are when I was reading these kind of stories, I feel they have a very very sensitive heart. Like they don't want to spoil anyone. Like if you can find a video on YouTube. There was a conflict between two elephants, and which was happening in a school or something. There is a function, and the elephant both are very getting very angry. But when the people are running in front of them, the one elephant, I think it is Techikode Gauramendran, he stands still. Like the elephant was still. He don't want to disturb that a woman who she passed in front of the elephant. So they have very genius. So yeah, I felt that is why I feel like sensitive and they will cry for their caretakers. Some other cases.
There was a program in Kairali that a lot of they introduce all this, like what things happen to this.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. This work I have done for a camp in Lalitagala Academy camp. The same day, what happened? I felt very feel very sad. Guruvayur Padmanabhan passed away in this year. February. The same day I started to do this work. And I feel, oh, he said farewell, yes. Those kind of feeling I came. It's a miracle, like coincidence happened. Yeah. These are like the flow I gave. I don't want to speak much about all these works. Just experience this. Here I gave a white flower and all other are blue. Oh my God.
Have you seen that earlier work? Have you seen Bhuban Gakar did a lot of such elephant painting?
Yeah.
Yeah, have you seen that?
Yeah.
That sort of elephants in a sea or something like. Yeah.
Yeah, I have seen a few. I have. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Reminds me.
Pardon?
It reminds me that the early.
Yeah.
work.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Okay. This is also a white kind of elephant I have keep in the background. And Pushpavashti also there. Like, yeah, this is my last work. Like recently I have done for this Lalita Kala Academy camp. Here the background, there is musical notes kind of, the tree I represent, or the green landscape I try to make in a way of musical notes. And
That's nice.
yeah, and this thing and the like two images came when I start to working. Then I don't know how it will come. Then I love with like Peter Doig work mostly, kind of, or Yayoi Kusama. Both are working with this stars or this kind of thing. Usually I don't have the courage to put like over fantasizing was not there in most of my work. From here I thought I have to make it more fantasy, kind of like stars falling on my like on my lap, or like on my earth, this kind of feel. And I don't want to make the details of the faces. I just kept like all the variety bring with in their dresses. Actually, I don't want to make any details on their faces. Yeah, it's a actually I thought to like where we are coming from somewhere, and we are doing acting in one way and we are going in another way. There is apart from all my previous work, here I felt human beings are nothing. It is actually, we are like, it's our responsibility to survive like in a beautiful way, you know, not others like we will say, oh, we are something, no, it is our responsibility to live a beautiful way. So yeah, this is the last work I have done. Yeah. The time, what is the time now?
Yeah, correct. Yeah, 6 o'clock.
Correct. Yeah. Thank you.
Sharp.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know whether it come properly. I'm little nervous about to choose words actually.
No, that's fine. Yeah. It's all work speaks. We sometimes what do you call that? Misguide, you know, people.
Yeah.
This is what I'm thinking, but
Yeah.
sometimes it's not, you know, like sometimes it's you evolve from the process, no, like we can't actually recollect that, and you know, but we try to be you know, very reasonable in that way. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, Vani.
Yeah.
Hi. Yeah, Shinod here. Actually, we met in Calicut, you know, remember me?
For biophilia. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm finding that some of your work you didn't display here. Some of your watercolor or something, your landscape.
Yeah,
I think maybe I missed or something.
Yeah, it was there. I think biophilia work was here.
Okay.
Yellow flowers on top. Have you seen?
Yeah, and there is a lot of landscape also was there.
Yeah, it was a diptych.
Okay.
Yeah, so I mentioned earlier, like the first panel I made for the pleasure of view eyes, like yellow flower. Yeah, it is kind of Mangal kind of, you know. So I want to, the other panel I have done like trying to put more meanings, like many things I
can. Yeah, you did that. I think a lot of small works. small watercolors. The greenery, you know, like green, sort of different feel that you did.
In that work, yeah.
Yeah, you explain about that in Calicut Ladakha Kala Academy, 2018. I think. That time I was there. So we met there.
Yeah.
So
I
want to explain. Can you explain about that?
Yeah, yes. I actually, when I kept in academy, I kept also put some original flowers in front of the painting. And I felt like the first panel, as I mentioned, it was done for our pleasure, I special. And the other one is for our, like, we are thirst for, hungry for this intellectual or this kind of thing sometimes. So I thought to the 5 roads meeting in for water, the purpose of water, or we people are different and it unite for something like this kind of water are our basic needs, you know. And on that well I kept some small fishes which cannot see in this painting, I think. And also I tried to mix the plants, like tulsi was there. At the same time I kept ganja, what we call ganja. Yeah, Kanjam. So I try to because all these things should be there. Like everything should be there. You know, one is bad, one is good. It is not like every thing should be there for making a better. Like we cannot differentiate this is good or this is bad. Yeah. In that way I picked many kind of plants there, and there is a golden fence because the beauty we human beings are making worst by making fence and all these things. So I just golden thread which reminds me to there is a ബന്ധുര കാഞ്ചന കൂട്ടിലാണെങ്കിലും ബന്ധനം ബന്ധനം തന്നെ പാരിൽ എന്ന് പറയില്ലേ. There is a beautiful golden cage. Even it is a golden cage, it is always bad things, you know, bad thing. You know, in that way I just there is no need to read in that way. This is the reason for like all these things came. Yeah. Am I cleared? Am I?
Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Mani.
Yeah, hi.
Yes, it just wait. Yeah. I love your all works all over all languages, but especially I love your portraits. The portraits names is like Portrait of Army and Meeting Point. Especially, I love those 2 portraits.
Yeah.
And in one work, there is names The Witness.
Yeah.
I glad to observe that androgynous feelings, vibes in that work. Androgynous like Ardhanarishwari.
That's something. Something like that, because
both energies includes feminine and masculine. So I love that work. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Even same Deepa said, that's what I was planning to say. It is also represent a kind of animus kind of, you know, thought in between, like in a psychology. I think your all the works having a certain kind of psychological approach. Is that like the way you put mirchis in that? It says some kind of passion or elephant, you know, the form like elephant. Elephant is also part of, it's not just a dream. There is some sexuality also kind of thing is there. Elephant comes, some kind of Buddhist philosophy and everything is there. I think altogether there is some twist is there in your work from one place to another. But you mentioned that there is no fantasy, but fantasy is there visible in your work.
Yeah, I never
you should not say
recognized
the
the
fantasy is not there. Okay, yeah, that's what I want to say.
No.
Okay, thank you.
No, I don't have the courage to like falling stars. It's a courage actually, I felt
when you see that yellow flower that we see in the Vishu time, that is itself a fantasy,
Yeah. It is fantasy, but we can find it in in the New Year time, like in Kailas New Year, we can find it anywhere. But when I tell about the last work, I felt like I cannot many times I started to do some kind of abstraction and I cannot do. There is something restricting me, so I thought I have to break. I don't say I have to break it, but I love to watch those kind of works in others' works, and I cannot bring it to my works. So Peter Doig or Yayoi Kusama, they all are doing putting so many stars and or yellow dots or these kind of things. But I don't have the courage to put in my canvas. I was
basically patterns
and all these things. Patterns, designs or these kind of things. So
but
I
also Christoph Lee, no? Christoph Lee. He's also does that, no? Like he's the same as not same, but there is some connection between Christoph Lee and Doig. They are very good friends, so find some.
And even if we are watching Chagall's painting or these kind of, we used to we enjoy those paintings very much, and we cannot do we want to do those kind of something want to break from my canvas, I feel.
But I like to add something in what Sukeshan says, there is what I found, there is switch on, switch off, sometimes you take a route and you just shift from that to another and then go to another and you come back again and then you go back. So it's like, so I found somewhere, you could have gone little further, you could have gone little more ahead. Then you may find little more clarity and little more distilled, language. Before that, you are just jumping to another, right? And then you're coming back, maybe you change the perception. So that is actually really in your work, that's good in one way, you are not seeking any signature style. But the same, it's somewhere, you are not giving enough time to grow, so that is somewhere you have to work a little more, I felt.
I know. Actually, which as I told, when I got children and all, as I told, I was always in a hurry. I have to finish this thing. Those kind of actually I am not, sometimes I'll think I am not actually I have enough time, but at the same time I was like, oh, I want to run from this place to in that way. Maybe that is also a reason.
That's also you are kind of some reason you are making, because you can do a large work with a small panel, right? Making small panel and make it in a large, like K.G. Subramaniam, for an example. He never makes such. Recently, some of his works are very large. Otherwise, he makes panel and then he create a larger this thing, because we all have a different level of patience, right? I can't be you or can't be me, So we have to tackle that if you want to make it in a.
I these days I started to do it in small. Before I was always thirst for doing big work. And if I couldn't do it in 1 year or two, I will depressed or disappointed with I'll many days I will never get time to sit in front of the canvas. So now I am training myself to do small works also.
It's not also like, it's not only the time you're not getting, the idea won't survive, or idea you can't carry for a long time. No, it's all start with a conviction. So you can't carry that for a long time, then you are not able to do that, right? Like after a point, you feel like, okay, I have to finish this and I have to start something. So is it. So that's why I feel like I can't do a sculpture, in that way, because I can't carry that much time to time with an idea, right? For a long time. I mean, now I can, earlier I can't. So that's why we have to take some mechanism to tackle that. That's what I'm saying.
Actually, the last 3 works I have shown you in 2020 works, which 3 works I have started from 2017. And next 2 years I was not able to make time, and also if I am getting time, I could not sit in front of that painting. I have made another one. So in 2020 I started like 1 month from my home. Like I leave from my home, like 1 month I stayed alone for completing these 3 works actually. Because it is kind of meditating process, if I started morning with myself, then I can complete the work. Otherwise, if some noises came, I cannot complete it in that way. So that 3 works, for finishing that 3 works, I take a leave.
It's a different sort of a sitting, like one sitting one sitter painting, one sitting painter, or like somebody who can sit for a long time, or it depends on the personality. That's what I meant.
Hi. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
While I am seeing your works, the elephant painting of that elephant, I remember an incident that we visited Shantiniketan as a part of our All India tour, and you selected a lot of ornaments which connected with elephant kind of things, rings and chains with the elephant image. And that time you also say that you love a lot of elephants. And
you gifted me also one elephant somewhere.
You remember that kind of thing while seeing your work this time.
Thank you, Tito, for coming.
You are an elephant fan then, no?
Actually I don't want to put more ornaments on my like on my body, but if I saw an elephant as an ornament, I'll choose.
Hi Vani.
Hi.
I liked your presentation. Really, it's like a journey. You're so curious to kind of know so many areas. You can see that your curiosity in your work. And I like that the time thing in your earlier works, that the null the tab is flowing, and that the time you're showing the time in painting. That's very interesting thing. And you were curious, that's why you shifted. But I can suggest you that if you also see your older works again and again, and just try to see some good aspects of it, and just think about it again. So it would be nice, because maybe that moment you must be thinking something, and somebody must have crashed in your work, and maybe it would be a negative aspect. That moment it would be a bit different, I know, but taking once again the work again and again can be interesting, because that's your work. It's not done and dusted. It's your work. Because even I have this journey where I switch on and off so many times. I have done it. So I used to always shuffle and get back some of the older works and rework on it. So that would be interesting. I like that even that work with numbers,
Yeah.
That to me, that, and also the recent one, it was very similar actually. By the way it has been depicted, I feel.
Yeah. Okay.
Just by the visual dictionary, I'm saying it's similar, but not maybe the depiction, the way you depict. So that was really nice.
Thank you. Because I stop. Like I'm not saying it stopped, but which is a break. Like I don't want to carry all those emotions, so I just like if we are painting in front of those kind of emotions, it always like again and again we are taking the same emotion. If we feel to weep now, when we are painting the weeping scene, again and again we will weep, So
Okay.
that is why I just want to like it is not a good way, I felt maybe these kind of images will come again later, like after realizing our problems, then we can use it in like from a detached way.
That can be the way.
Yeah. Thank you for giving that suggestion. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Hi, Vani.
Yeah.
It's me, Sabin. Hi. Yeah, nice to see your works.
Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, I loved your the works which you represented, the images that army's portrait, and especially your self-related paintings, like when you did it in your MFA time. I think if I am not correct, I think I like you're more concentrated on your works when you are studied in MFA. After that, I think I know that some distractions will happen if being a mother. I know. I respect all. But some distractions will happen sometimes. But I think I can add on to what Sneh said. No.
Yeah, I know.
Look at on your previous some works you did in MFA time, then you can. I think you have a lot of point to start with.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know.
Again, it's always a remembrance and it's recollecting.
Yeah.
It will. I think myself also. It's helped a lot, recollecting and memorizing. Some old. If we are getting some distractions or something, it is a better to go far, beyond we do not stuck somewhere or something. We don't want to fix without unnecessary point of thinking and all, no?
Yeah.
Because you all you have that kind of mentality and potential on your previous works, but I think you got some distractions because of your that might happen, but otherwise I think you can focus more.
Yeah.
And even
But it was
Sujit also said same thing, no?
Yeah.
So I think nice to see your works. Anyway, I didn't see your complete artworks here.
Thank you. Thank you.
I remember when we were together in the camp, and when the camp got over, and Meenal, I and Prajakta was like, we didn't knew that she had kids. We thought she's so young, really didn't know that.
Yeah, I am young.
Yeah, means of course, but in a way, studying, just completed the study and all that type of young.
Yeah, that work you have mentioned, the Time and Tide Wait for No Man. That work actually derived because of my pregnancy. 4th year I was pregnant, and the next after the just completion of my graduation, I gave birth to my elder one. Then I waited for 2 years. Then I went for masters. Actually, I thought to bring him to the masters, but my in-laws told me it is difficult to, so we keep we take a servant, and my kid was there, and I was studying in Hyderabad. So that is why I told, like, always think about time, so which reflects on my earlier was. This time, these days, I am getting enough time too. So 2020, I feel better, like I can do much more,
That's your journey. I mean, that's what makes you.
Yeah, yes, all. Really.
And
yeah.
that would be very different from everyone, I'm sure. Like,
yeah, thank you.
If you jolt down together your journey once again, that's
yeah.
what Sabin was saying, I suppose.
Yeah.
And Vani, we can get to know that your surroundings and your home,
yeah. Here.
Yeah, it's really connected with your like home surroundings, like we can imagine your house, how it looks like, somewhere some part you're adding something in your paintings, some corner or some objects.
Is it a mana you're staying or?
Mana. Okay. You can search it in Google, Olappamanna Mana.
Yeah.
And okay. Many film.
I came there. I visited that place.
Okay.
We have done a film shooting also there.
Oh, which time?
I think one ad film. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
One ad.
Oh, okay.
2008 or something. Yeah.
Oh, I was there in Hyderabad that time.
Which is the famous film they shot there? Which film is shot there?
Actually, Odeon film, have you seen? It is the place we are staying, the same building.
Oh, really? Okay.
Odeon. And Narasimham, Arandamburan.
Oh, all this.
Arandamburan, the music teaching, which is in front of our like main building. We are staying in another building, which is little walkable distance, but the same compound. Yeah.
You want a chance in films, you can just give a ring to one.
Mohanlal, maybe you may have Mohanlal's number.
Yeah.
Mohanlal, nowadays, not that kind of a films are not happening, no? Like
not much.
Yeah.
After a long distance,
Attapalam. Now, Fort Kochi is the capital.
The subject varies from time to time,
Yeah.
So.
Otherwise, Mohanlal, and then it's a different sort of a setup. Marika Shirimana.
Actually, Mohanlal loved both places. So he want almost every film both sides he is using. Marika Shirimana is beautiful in in the frontal part is very beautiful than ours. So when he came for shooting, he used that portion for the frontal portion. And the inside many areas used here.
I went to Marika Shirimana recently, to see that.
Filmmakers are also like artists like you guys. So like you start drawing human, and then you start drawing nature without any life. Then you start drawing only animals, right? So they also do the same thing. They will make historical films. Then they will let us do films only on human life. So if it is only on human life, inner emotions, why to spend so much on a set? There are also artists like you, they will also shift, right?
Marika Shirimana and many of the film, no? So they kept something in front of that, and then they changed to Muslim house or Christian house, and all they change, no? Keep on changing. They add some cross or something in somewhere, and then it becomes something. Yeah, they do. It's good. But what about the Pumuli Mana? That's also close by Pumuli Mana.
Our relatives are there. They are using. They are like the main building. They demolished.
Demolished. Okay.
And there is some buildings like the old one, like Patayapura kind of.
But they have Ayurvedic treatment and all. No?
They're in that Patayapura and all. They kept it very beautifully.
Okay. Oh, great.
Remaining things kept it very beautifully. Yeah, for the Ayurveda and all these things.
Yeah.
I think this is the area covered with the old architecture. You know, one of the most ideal architecture shapes, space, which is not visible in Kerala anymore. You know, so this one drastic changes are in architecture wise also. So like I can understand why you made a lot of elephants. You know, because of this architecture and life, these are very much synchronized. You know, so anyway.
Yeah. You're a construct. I think there's some question or something in the.
Oh, I didn't
so,
check it.
Yeah, good expressive.
I want good to see.
I
Thank
think
you, Kumaraswamy.
Yeah. Hi. Hi, Vani. Good to see your
hi.
works.
Yeah.
This is Kumar Swamy.
Thank you.
And just missed the middle of your works. Actually, I just want to, if I want to comment anything, I don't have any clue. But you know, your works are very good. But need to focus on some like just what Sabin said.
Yeah.
Even my view also similar to Sabin. Just focus on that.
Yeah. Okay.
That's it from my part. But earlier works and in the middle, before your marriage and all these are very nice to see.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for sharing.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, Sujit.
Yeah.
Thank you, Satish.
You're always in travel, huh? Like you're always traveling. Sometimes you're driving.
What to do, man? I just came
we stuck here, like we are thinking you are in some other continent or what. Like we can't even go out. You're always in car or some other vehicle. So
it is in Saturday, right?
Jealous.
No, man. No, just like that's why you feel jealous. I just kept my mask in my pocket,
Okay.
So
now people are not that scared. Also, people are walking. They're going out.
It's quite okay now. This is not that much effective. Even in my apartment, also, everyone got except my family.
You are waiting, no? Last time, like you were saying that I may get it soon.
Yeah.
You were saying that. Yeah, you were saying that. Yeah.
Yeah, a little bit cough also I got for 2-3 days, but immediately I have taken some precautions, so it came out.
Okay.
So thank you, Sujit.
Yeah, thank you. Not to me.
So, everything is fine at Bombay. How about Bombay?
Bombay, whatever you know, that much I know. I don't know much. I don't even look at what is happening because it's after a point. No, you don't need to actually. It's out of control now. In Corona case, Kankana is rocking now. So that I know. Kankana is rocking.
Okay.
That's the only thing I know. Kankana and Shiv Sena is
it's rocking now.
Yeah. Otherwise, you don't consider any other than.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
Hello. Thank you.
Yeah,
thank you.
Anything else? Anyone?
Aishwaryan, thank you. Das, thank you. Arun Dev, thank you. And Deepika. So thank you. Yeah, they are coming.
Okay.
I think Deepika is always coming in this thing. So if you want to add your number, you just send it to this thing.
Sorry?
There's one more Deepika, and all. They are very like you are coming to most of the session. So if you want to add your number, you want to get the link every week, then you add your number. So to please.
Yeah, well, thank you.
Okay. So shall we wind up?
Yes.
6:35. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
See you.
Thank you for
See you next Saturday. Yeah.
Bye-bye. Take
Bye.
care.
Bye.
Thank you, Vani. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you all.
Yeah. Okay. See you.